Welcome to Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, where fruit trees built for warm climates are always in season. Say hello to Apple Dorsett Golden, a sweet, crisp favorite that thrives with just 100 chill hours and shines in USDA zones 5 through 10. This moderate grower reaches 12 to 25 feet tall and 12 to 20 feet wide and loves full sun or part shade with well-draining soil. For even better fruit set in warmer areas, plant it on the north side of your yard. Dorsett golden apples are medium-sized, pale yellow with a pink blush, and sweet with a firm, crisp texture reminiscent of Golden Delicious. It's partially self-fruitful, but you'll get even more apples when paired with buddies like Anna or Ein Schemmer, or in higher chill areas Golden Delicious, Pink Pearl, or Zestar. Fun fact, this variety was developed in the Bahamas, so it's built to flourish where winters stay mild, perfect for desert and tropical climates alike. Visit Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix or call 623-434-6922. Let's grow something sweet and sensational.